Moment that you discover your perfectly capable laptop running on a 7th Gen Intel Core i7 Kaby Lake won't officially make the jump to Windows 11. You are probably thinking, my laptop's no slouch, so what gives? Why the cutoff? Well, Microsoft drew a line in the sand at the Intel 8th generation and newer. It's not just about raw speed, they are aiming for a new baseline of performance, security, and compatibility. Think of this way. Windows 11 is built with modern features that rely on specific hardware, like advanced security protocol and cutting-edge graphic tech. Those 8 Gen chip and everything after were designed with this in mind, including the mandatory Trusted Platform Module or TPN 2.0. Your trusty cabinet, while still a great performance, just missed the mark on the some of these fundamental requirements. Now let's jump to the main discussion, the temptation of a bypass install. Now, I know what you are thinking. You have seen those videos showing folks effortlessly installing Windows 11 on unsupported machine. And yes, it is possible to bypass those checks, but let's be real. It's like trying to fit square peg in a round hole. While it might seem to work instantly, but you are opening yourself up to few potential headaches. The first thing is no official update. This is a big one. Microsoft has stated that unsupported device may not receive critical security update or feature update that leave your PC vulnerable to new threats, and you will miss out on all that cool new stuff Windows 11 has to offer. The second thing is instability and glitches. Ever had a system crash at the worst possible moment? Expect more of those, along with potential driver issue and performance hiccups. Not exactly a smooth ride. The next one is warranty woes. If something goes wrong, your device warranty may not cover it since you have gone off-roading with unsupported OS. The last one is performance drag. Even if it runs, your 7th Gen chips makes trouble with Windows 11's demands, making the whole experience feel less fluid than it would on a supported machine or even on Windows 10. So what's the best path forward? Given the risks of forcing Windows 11 into unsupported hardware, the most stable and secure solution for the best experience is to stick with Windows 10 on your current laptop. It's a fantastic, reliable operating system that will continue to receive update and support for a year come. If you are truly safe experience Windows 11, then considering a new device that officially support it would be the way to go. What are you true on this? Have you considered upgrading your hardware or you're happy to write out Windows 10 on your current machine? Let me know in the comment below. Okay, if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.